In this guide, I'm going to explain how to view passwords saved in your Google account. So over time, you may have passwords to your Google account while using your devices. This guide will show you how to access and view the details of these saved passwords. So to begin, you need to open the Google Chrome application, go to the New tab, and click on your profile picture icon in the top right and select Manage your Google account. Now from the left-hand side, you need to go to the option of security and sign in, which is between personal info and Google password. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll get this section of password manager. You can see that I have 40 passwords saved in my Google account, and this makes it easier to sign into sites and apps I use on any signed-in device. So you can also view it too in your Google account. Go ahead and tap on this password manager section and you'll get the list of the passwords that you have saved for any websites or apps. You can go ahead and access it whenever you like. Go through a confirmation, and if you tap on this I button over here, you'll be able to view your password of a specific site or an app. And if you want to delete it, you can go ahead and select this delete option, the edit option, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.